Okay. Where is my pen? Okay. Good evening. Welcome to this very important but short podcast. In September, I'm trying, I'm doing my best. It's not easy, but we're hanging in there. It's good to have you. If you're just joining me, I'm here with, as usual, we should have had the national debate on today, but Lone Star played South Tumi. Lone Star played South Tumi. And so we had to bring the game live. And so the national debate did not come on. Yeah, young philanthropist, welcome. Yeah, somebody said forgive him, but you see, I'm not looking at the kid. I'm looking at the Justice Minister. I'm looking at the Solicitor General. And what I would say here today is to give them my own thought. Because you see, many of you who know what I know that I beat my chest for this rescue train. And one of the things we ran on was the rule of law. We ran on the rule of law. Today we are getting cast out because people, Elijah Hali, how you doing? Bobo Akwala. Akwe. Is that Akwe and get Akwewala? Yeah. Emmanuel called and say, I don't appreciate too much talking from a professional. Then you need to shut your mouth, because since you are a professional, but you come on somebody's page where they're doing their podcast and you talk in the form of a comment, you just say, I don't appreciate too much talking from a professional person. Then you need to shut your mouth. Because if you are a professional person, then you shouldn't be talking. Musa Jabate, how you doing? Welcome. These are some of the things y'all want us to shove under the carpet. Then y'all come back and y'all cuss us enough. And y'all bundle us, y'all compact us, y'all compress us, y'all put us in one bound and insult everybody. But today, when I played that video, almost everybody said, oh, this guy is staged. But I don't just want it to be like that. I brought documents. Because I blame certain officials of government for what is happening. And that's why I'm here to prove. Vincent Togbe, how you doing? Yeah, Kolibo Emmanuel Kolibo, how you doing, man? Lawrence Fala, my man, I ain't forgot you. But let me go to the issue quickly, please. Thank you, Sabi Seze. Marion, I'm here. Thank you, too. I posted a video on my Facebook page. And what I saw was that they had attempted, because I say attempt, to malign my character. And my understanding is a guy by the name of Emmanuel Johnson assigned to the court, who is supposed to be a foot soldier of one of the justices, in an attempt to free this Chinese national or save him from a possible deportation. Hear me and hear me well, because today I'm going to pour out my heart and my feeling. We are our own problem in this country. We fight for something, they give it to us, and sometimes we abuse it. And I'm not angry. I'm just a little bit disappointed. And I will tell you why. So I posted that video so that Liberian people can see. The man I went to help is coerced into saying nonsense that he had no idea. It's like I'm telling you that this man was the man who beat my mom yesterday. But the beating of your mother occurred 10 years ago. So it got nothing to do with it, man. And you're talking like a madman. But this is what is happening in the country. When people say rule of law and there's no law and order and there's no this, then as officials of government, we need to look at ourselves and ask ourselves as officials of government, is it true there's no law and order? If there's no law and order, why is it so? We ran a campaign on the basis of rule of law. Today, I heard my brother say he was dismissed for not arresting Samuel Twe. That one I will save for another day because I want to ask him. He's my own brother. I want to ask him, brother, if you go on the radio and say that you were dismissed for not arresting Samuel Twe, it's an indictment against yourself. Because all of us know we're going to go back to the clip, we're going to go back to the videos, we're going to go back to the court document. First, they issue knee exit Republica, meaning these people should not leave the country. The fact that Samuel Twe left the country was a violation of knee exit Republica. And if he was abroad when they issued the arrest warrant for him and his alleged co-conspirators, they arrested Jefferson Camo, they arrested the two, how you call them, controller or whatever. They arrested those people. They were handcuffed and taken to the court. Once there is a writ of arrest for a person, whether they come with submarine or helicopter or aircraft carrier or airplane or bicycle or motorcycle or keke, it don't matter. Under the rule of law, once the arrest order is given, it don't matter if they come in the morning. It don't matter if they come in the night. It don't matter if they come by sea, air, or ground. They must be arrested. But it's all over social media. I got dismissed for not arresting. I don't think you are even dismissed. There is space in this government for you. You are a foot soldier. You fought. And maybe if something happened along the way, let it go. That old man will never forget your contribution. So for Twe to come in and wipe his face and go in as if to say there was not an arrest warrant out there for him was a mistake. But however way it went, again, the rule of law. Let me come to the purpose for which I'm here. Or let me take on three other subject matter. A bunch of students leave their campus and go to the LFA to quote protest. Why not beating mercilessly staffers? I went there, I saw the damage to the vehicles and to the building itself. I saw their actions on video. And what was the reason why they say they went there? Before I come to my own video. That the head of LFA is not a Liberian. But let me ask you this. Who elected Mustafa Raji? Was it Ghanaians? The people who elected Mustafa Raji, were they Mauritanians? Were they from Antananarivo? Where did they come from? Liberians elected this man. And the position calls for a Liberian. Y'all go there, a brand new building. Y'all break everything out of ignorance. And here is why I say ignorance. FIFA does not tolerate LFA or any football association involved with local politics. They do not. Football is outside of any national or local politics. And there is a strict FIFA law for that. If the people have filed protests or even complained, Liberia would have been in trouble. They can ban us for it. But they did it out of ignorance and were supported by a few bunch of